Hello, my name is Ashley. Today I'm going to show you how to roast eggplant. We're going to make it Armenian delicious eggplant salad. So when you buy from the market, make sure that it's a dark color, because dark color eggplant are better than the red color. All right, so we're going to put this on the barbecue. We're going to roast this very, very good. What it's going to be, it's going to become mushy. It has to burn the skin. So how long we're going to do this, I am not sure exactly, because everybody's barbecue is different. It might take about like 10-15 minutes, I'm not sure. You will check it. You will be here. You can go come, because it takes time, I think. So when it's mushy, you will know it. But anyway, I'm going to show you when we come back. Okay, I'm back again. Now the eggplant are roasted. I want to show you when you touch it like this, it goes in, like it will peel very, very easy. Now we have to take them out. And while we were away, I put some vegetables, because we're going to need this for Armenian salad. So now we have to take it out, and we're going to make such a delicious salad. Okay. All right, now I want to show you how to mix them together. We're making the Armenian salad. What we need is, we need onion, we need parsley, a little bit mint chopped, one red bell pepper that you saw me I was roasting, and one little yellow pepper I put. Make sure that it's not hot so you won't burn. 3 tomatoes it is, 1 onion, and I'm gonna put for now just 2 eggplant. And this is the way you will, like I showed you how mushy it is, it should be peeling just like this. And it's the taste, it will be so delicious, and it smells already good. So when you peel this, do not wash it, because you don't want to take any part of the taste from the eggplant. A lot of people, they wash it, and it's really not right to do that. Okay? And then you chop this on a long way like this. Long pieces. Just give one cut. And one thing too that I ran out of it, which I was preparing, I don't have it, we need cilantro. At least you need 1 bunch cilantro you have to put, because cilantro, it will give really, really good taste. So this is the eggplant. Here's the 3 little tomatoes that we roasted. It goes in with the liquid, with everything. This is 1 bell pepper that you saw I roasted, and 1 little yellow. Make sure, like I said, it's not hot so you won't burn. Never wash them. When you roast the vegetable, you can put them in a paper bag, so it will make it easier to peel. And this is 1 onion, yellow onion, white onion, whatever you want to use it. And this is like a half a bunch, less than half a bunch parsley, and couple, like maybe 5 to 6 branch mint. So this is all you need. And for the seasoning, all you need a little bit pepper. Again, it's up to you how much hot or how much, sweet you want. You can put even black pepper. And the salt, again, it's up to you how is your taste is. Maybe about like a half a teaspoon. In case you need it, you can always add it up. So this is, and one thing, we do not need lemon, but we need olive oil. So we're gonna put olive oil on this salad, which it's gonna give very good taste. The olive oil, again, it's your taste. Maybe you can put about less than a 1/4 cup. All right, we're gonna mix this together. Oh boy, it smells so good. Look at the color, how it looks beautiful. So this is an Armenian eggplant salad. You try it, you're gonna love it. All the family's gonna love it. Mix it well. There you go. And this one you can eat just like this as a dish. The eggplant is really, really healthy for you, so is all the vegetables. You put on your table and you present your guest. So I hope you'll try it and you will enjoy it. It's very delicious. Thank you very much again. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.